There is more than one way to install TestNG. However, I believe the quickest way to install TestNG is through Eclipse Marketplace. We navigate to Eclipse Marketplace by going to the Help menu, then selecting Eclipse Marketplace. Type TestNG in the Find text field, then click the Go button. TestNG shows up with an Install button. Click the Install button. Make sure all checkboxes are checked. Click the Confirm button. Select the radio button called I accept the terms of the license agreement. Then click the Finish button. Click Install Anyway on the security warning prompt. Finally, click Restart Now on the Software Updates prompt. Launch the Workspace. We verify TestNG is installed by making sure the TestNG library is located under our project. If the library is not located under our project, then we can add the library by right-clicking the project, SRC, JRE System Library, or Reference Libraries. Then selecting Build Path and Configure Build Path. Click the Add Library button. Select TestNG, click Next, Finish, then the Apply and Close button. Before clicking the Apply and Close button, we see TestNG has been added as a library. TestNG is located under our project as a library. Now we are finished setting up the Java Development Kit JDK, Eclipse IDE, Selenium browser drivers, and TestNG. I created a document with step-by-step instructions to show you how to set up Selenium, Java, Eclipse, browser drivers, and TestNG. Feel free to download the document for free if you want a copy at https://tinyurl.com how to set up Selenium, TINY-HOW-TO-SET-SELENIUM. You will see this page, how to set up Selenium and its required components. After going to the URL, here's the document starting at the Table of Contents page. Verify the system type, install Java Development Kit JDK, install Eclipse IDE, configure Selenium WebDriver, download browser drivers, and install TestNG. I will show you the Configure Selenium WebDriver section, which have steps for downloading Selenium 3.11. Step 1, go to Selenium's download page. Step 2, download the Selenium standalone server. Step 3, download the client driver for Java. Step 5, unzip the zip files. Step 9, through step 21, add the external JAWS to Eclipse.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.